Dear children, next sum you need a little, you should try to understand it now. It's a little funny, tricky it is. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP, I'm talking about the 11th sum. So the sum of the first n terms of an AP is, so Sn is equal to sum of first n terms. So Sn equal to 4n minus n squared. It's just like the previous sum an they gave, and here Sn they are giving. Sn. So it's not an. So you should note it. What is the first term? What is the first term they are asking? So in this, when they have given like this, how to find the first term? Let's see now. Very, very simple. Just like the previous sum, you go on putting the value for n. S1 is equal to S1. See, you will be getting here S1. 4 into 1 minus 1 the whole squared, which is equal to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Now S1 means sum of only one term. The meaning it comes like that. S1. Yes means sum. Sum of one term only means the meaning is it's a bit meaningless only. We should take it as A. It is nothing but A. So S1 means sum of two terms, three terms means it is meaningful. But sum of one term means what is it? So you should take it as A only. So S1 is A. Please remember this. S1 is nothing but A. What is the sum of the first two terms they are telling? What is the sum of the first two terms? Okay, S2 you have to find. S2, sum of two terms. So 4 into 2 minus 2 the whole squared. So it will be equal to 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. Which is equal to 4, S2. But what is the meaning of S2? We should know it is the sum of two terms of an AP. It is the sum of two terms of an AP. A1 plus A2, that is equal to 4. So this is the tricky thing which you should know here. So A1 plus A2 is equal to 4, and in this A1 means it is nothing but A. You have already got it here. A is equal to 3. You have already found. So substitute that. So A plus A is 3, no? So I have to put 3 here. A2, it is equal to 4. Therefore, A2 will be 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So see, so funny. A is 3 and A2 is 1. So we have got one AP here, but of course they have asked us something else. They have asked us what is the second term. Okay, we have found the second term here. A2 is equal to 1. They have asked, no, that question. So it's our answer, 1. Similarly, find the third. Okay, find the third. You know A, you know D. Okay, do you know D now? D is A1. You have got A1 plus A2 is equal to 4, and A2 you have got 1. Now see, therefore D is equal to, you can find here A2 minus A1. But where is your A1? It is 3 there. We have already found. What is your A2? It is 1. So 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. So D is equal to minus 1. I could have just done here also. 1 minus 3. I could have done 1 minus 3 here only. So 1 minus 3, and that is the 1 minus 3 is not 1, sorry. It is 2. 2, sorry. It is 2. Greater number sign is minus. These all things, by a slip of the tongue. We do some small mistakes like that. But of course, we'll come to know what mistake I have done. So D is equal to 1 minus 3, okay, and it is equal to minus 2. And now they are asking us 10th term. Find the third term, of course, we should do. What is the third term? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So shortly you can write it. A3 is, find the third. So A plus 2D. So what is A? A is 3. 3 plus 2 into D. 2 into minus 2, which is equal to, see, you have to be so careful while writing the sums. So minus, plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4, and the answer is minus 1. So A3 is minus 1. Okay, and then A10 they are asking. Find the 10th and the find the third, the 10th and the nth term they are telling. Or A10 means it is A plus 9D. Okay, you can substitute and get here. Similarly, they are telling us find an nth term. So nth term means an it is. So a plus n minus 1d. Now when they are asking the nth term only, you keep n as n only. You must keep n as n only. So now let us substitute. What is a value? 3. 3 plus n I will keep as it is. N minus 1. D is minus 2. So come on. The what you will get now here? 3 plus into minus 2n plus 2. And this is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2n. This is our nth term. This is our nth term. I hope you understood that sum. Please look over once again and learn it. And the time is finished.